What's going on, guys? So today we're installing another mod for the Shelby GT350. We're installing the sequential tail light, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks now, and then after we install the sequentials, how it looks after. So it's gonna look super dope and amazing. We're installing all these parts this week because right now my dad's on vacation. I'm happy. I can't wait to see how it looks. Let's go check it out. Right now I'm in the SI right now. Just finished work. I got the car cover on it. That's why it kind of looks yellow in here. It's been raining all week, so we was hoping that it didn't rain because it's supposed to rain all week. And if you guys are following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram because I usually post like different Instagram stories and updates. If you guys want to find out anything like live, up to date, follow my Instagram stories, and you can see what is going on a daily 24/7 basis. So today we are going to be really. You have to turn the car on. I didn't say turn on the car.
What noise?
Yeah, what you mean? Why is it's too much noise?
Okay, alright, I'll leave it up.
So today we're gonna be installing the diodynamic sequencers for the taillights. And this is how it looks. The lights are on right now. It's kind of hard to see. So go ahead and turn this turn signals on. So when the turn signals are on, that's how they look. They give you like this little effect with the turn signals. Okay, the right side, and then step on the brake. So the brakes are just solid. Every time you press the brakes, it's just solid. And then when you press the hazards, and that's how the hazards look. So this is the before, and then we're going to show you the after and the install of the diodynamic sequencers. So that's how it looks now with the hazards, and now we're going to show you the after and the install right now. This is how the trunk looks on the GT350. A lot of space back here, and then what we got to take off is these 4 knobs right here to take this plastic piece out. And we're going to take this out. You just lift up and pull this whole thing out, and it comes right out. We're going to take that out. It just comes right out. I'm going to remove those 4. They just spin off on each side. 2 right here. And to take the plastic piece out, you gotta push forward. You kind of have to like push forward and like back towards the car for it to come out. Because you see, everything's clipped in. Just like that. And it just comes out just like that. Boom. And then you got to remove these 2 clips up top right here on each side to pull the lining back. Get like a flat head to take those clips out. So there is one for each side when you open up the package, and one side goes to the one end, one clips in like that, and the other one clips into the slot of the tail light. So one that goes into the tail light, and then one goes into the other connection right there.
Car wire harness.
Yep, the car wire harness, and then right there to that tail light. And then just repeat the same thing on the other side. Put the other one in. If you guys want to check before you put everything back in, you just hit the unlock button on the key, You just hit the unlock button and it shows you that they're working. So every time you step on the brake, it'll give you that cool sequential look of each one lighting up, which is dope. And then we'll show you guys the hazards, etc., etc. Press on the brakes, go ahead. They light up like that, the sequencers. And then if you turn on the hazards, they do like a sequencer look to them. And if you turn on the turn signals, yep, and the turn signal still works with no problem. Really nice. The best feature in my opinion is definitely when you step on the brakes and then they all light up every time you step on the brakes. So every time you step on it, it gives it that cool feature. So definitely gotta love that. What's going on, guys? So I'm just finished editing the videos. I know you guys are going to be in the comments about my dad starting up the car, but it's whatever. Definitely love, this is probably my favorite mod out of this car. And shout out to Diode Dynamics commenting on the video. They actually commented on the last video with the interior lights, so shout out to them. But the sequencer taillights look freaking amazing. So if you guys have S550, a Mustang from 2015 to 2018, go copy you some sequential taillights by Diode Dynamics. Definitely makes the car look unique and stands out way more. So link in the description is going to be where you guys could get the sequencer taillight conversion. But definitely, it looks freaking dope and amazing. Highly recommend you guys get that for your car. Stands out, looks freaking amazing. But definitely, guys, like I told you guys, more mods are on the way for this car and my cars. Don't forget about my car. More mods are going to be on the way. If you guys like this video, smash the like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. I'm actually doing a 2K giveaway when we hit 2K subscribers. So we are less than 100 subscribers away. So subscribe to the channel now. And also, if you're new, hit the notification bell so you are notified on all the videos that are dropped, and you'll get a notification saying, okay, this video just dropped, and you could be able to watch the video as soon as it goes live. So highly recommend you guys hit the notification bell. That's it for the video, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step forward toward your goals every single day, and make it happen. And also, you guys are probably wondering, if you're new to the channel, what giveaway am I giving? What kind of giveaway am I doing? When we hit 2K subscribers, I'm actually giving away 2 giveaways. So the 2 giveaways are, we're giving away a Sparkle backpack, JDM backpack, and a Takata JDM backpack. So your choice. 2 winners will get selected for a backpack. So if you're new, subscribe to the channel. All you have to do to enter for the giveaway is like the video, comment on the video, share the videos, show love and support. That's all you got to do. So that's it, guys. If there's anything that you want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step forward towards your goals every single day and make it happen. Peace.